Okay, you guys.
So put a big footnote disclaimer.
If you got the July subscription box, did you know that I think most people got them. I hope that you sent your photos into Tammy because we are in a club of self-love, right? So if you are, he's going to kill me. I know he's going to kill me. This has been such a labor of love.
It's the kind of thing you can't unsay. So am I 90% sure this is going to work? Yeah. Am I 10% sure it might not work out on time?
Well, if you're in doubt, don't sign up.
I'm 90% sure.
Okay. So we have been working on new empowerment apparel shirts. And we are 90% sure, we have been busting the moves. Everyone will get a empowerment shirt in their September empowerment box. So if you're already subscribed, you will get it. That's why we asked for your t-shirt size. The shirts do you think they run true to size?
Yes. If you're kind of on the fence, I'd go up a size, but if you're hey, I'm always pretty much a solid medium, large, extra large, whatever.
How could Kim Jenkins never got her box? Kim, I'm trying to think. Kim, are you Canada? Look at this. Look at this. This is
I feel like that's the one that I talked to her about the other day that disappeared into the black hole.
Oh.
One went into a black hole. I think it was yours, Kim. We're sending another one. Don't worry.
Don't worry. It sounds like you're getting another one. Okay, good to know. He doesn't tell me this kind of stuff. Our customer service works with it. Oh, case in point, please, you guys, please. Tammy is not our customer service. We love you. She cannot handle.
Does Tammy know lots of stuff?
Tammy knows a lot of stuff.
Yes.
Do not email
Tammy.
Tammy.
Work at the
please.
warehouse and can make those things
She does
happen?
not.
No.
And all she's doing is forward it and getting poor Tammy. Poor Tammy, you guys. Please do not email Tammy.
Okay, so here's a good question. Somebody said, if we want to change our size, can we contact someone? Yes. So go on the website, and at the bottom where it says contact, I think it says FAQ, and then it gives you both the email and, if you'd rather call, the phone number to customer service.
Yes.
And just call and say, hey, my name is whatever. I do the subscription box. I need to change the size that I put down, and they can help you do that.
Please do that. We love Tammy, but Tammy is doing so much other stuff, and this is not her. That's why we have customer service, and so please do not. I meant to mention that Tammy's the cutest thing, and so we appreciate that. Do they shrink? No, not really. Cindy, they don't. I always say go up a size if you're worried. You guys, I normally wear a small to a medium, but I literally, the one I think I wore earlier last week, it's my I Am Enough. I love my sweatshirts, you guys. I live in my sweatshirts.
We'll go out places and you'll be like, it's hot. And I'm like, well, maybe because it's 100 degrees in August and you're wearing a black sweatshirt.
Whatever, but I even have an extra large in there. So this is if you want to try out the empowerment box. I was telling someone today, it's true. We do not make money on the empowerment box. It is one of those things that we put in stop. So it's one of those things. If it speaks to you, get it. It's not like, honestly, I'm doing it because I love it so much, and my passion and my vision is to have the largest empowerment box in the world. Because I want, it's not and what I mean by that is because I know it goes worldwide, but I want when people get their empowerment box that they open it and they go, I am enough. I feel love. These stickers make me happy. This planner, the spray. For sure in September, we are debuting some brand new lifestyle TERESA Collins products that go in the September box for sure.
I would say health and beauty.
Health and beauty.
You said lifestyle.
I didn't mean to say. I meant health and beauty. Did I see? I'm on one today. Anything else that I need to share? Because I know, So I was telling them we're going to go, yeehaw, I'm going to ride a horse for the very first time.
I cannot believe you're 39 years old.
39.
And have never ridden a horse.
Brian.
Ever.
You know my childhood.
But as an adult?
No.
You guys never did anything.
No.
Well, guess what? Day after tomorrow, you're riding a horse.
I'm nervous a little bit.
Have you ever caught a fish? I've never asked you this before. Have you ever caught a fish?
One time, yeah. So, love you guys. Have a great night. See you guys.